Today I show you how to use the back tap feature on your iPhone to start or stop the flashlight, or you can do even other things. The back tap feature on your iPhone is a double tap or a triple tap, like that. So double tap or triple tap. So this might be very useful in some situations, especially for the flashlight. So if you want to turn on the flashlight or turn off the flashlight with the back tap, I will show you now how to do it. To use the back tap features to assign functions to a double back tap or a triple back tap, open the settings on your iPhone and then go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll until you see touch. Press on touch and you have lots of options here, but you can scroll until you see the option for back tap. Double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. So we can enable back tap, and double tap has no function. You have lots of options here. I will show you the settings so you can see what options you have, what you can use here for double back tap and triple back tap. I will use the flashlight for a double back tap. And for triple tap, you can also have lots of options here. For example, for a triple tap, I could do a smart invert or a voiceover. But I think smart invert is easier to show you. So now the back tap settings are set up. You can see back tap is on because I assigned functions to it, and I will test it right now for you. And I'll lock my iPhone, and without touching any of the buttons, double tap. Guess I have to do it really. Okay, so back tap detected, double back tap detected, and I will do it again 2 times. Okay, so let's try again. I hold the iPhone in my hand, I do a double back tap, and it says back tap detected, and the flashlight is on. And I do a double back tap again, and it's off. It doesn't work if I'm not looking at the iPhone, so it has to be really a back tap that you hold your iPhone like that. So I have to hold it, do a double back tap, and I want to see if I can do it lightly. Yeah, if it's too light, it doesn't work. It needs to be more. Okay, so light is on, it stays on, and now it's off. Double back tap, and I can do a triple back tap, and now it's inverted. The smart invert is activated, triple back tap, and now it's back to normal. Triple back tap again, double back tap for the flashlight off, and now, so double back tap. You can really tap it anywhere. It doesn't have a place that you could tap it. It works more when it's unlocked. If the iPhone is locked, it doesn't work. You have to show myself here. So back tap detected, and now I'll do a triple back tap. So now it's back to normal. Triple back tap, triple back tap. I hope this helps you enable the back tap settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.